Tara ka na, Kaisa. Gawin ko rin kawan, sir.
Friends and family gather around to celebrate with joy. Happy birthday to you, smiles are blooming. Happy birthday to you, happiness spreading from the heart. I give on this special day. Happy birthday to you, sending love your way. Candles on the cake we light. Make a wish and blow them
Halo
out.
Aisha, selamat ulang tahun.
Everyone is
Semoga panjang
thinking
umur,
of you,
sehat selalu, berkah selalu
celebrating
sama
bright
keluarga.
future.
Dadah, love you.
Happy birthday to you, smiles are blooming. Happy birthday to you, happiness spreading from the heart. I give on this special day. Happy birthday to you, sending love your way.
Oh. Happy birthday. Ito. Ating
Once a year, a magic day. Today is
Wala to.
truly special.
Happy birthday.
Friends and family
Happy birthday, Isaac. Enjoy your day. Huwag mo kakalimutan. Birthday mo to. Bawal ma-stress.
Hi,
Isaac. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Happiness spreading from the heart. I give on this special day. Happy birthday to you. Sending love your way.
Keep chasing your dreams. Again, happy birthday, Pamangkin.
Candles on the cake we light. Make a wish and blow them out. Everyone is thinking of you, celebrating your bright future. Happy birthday to you, smiles on me. Happy birthday to you, happiness spreading from the heart. I give on this special day. Happy birthday to you, sending love your way. Birthday to you, smiles are blooming. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Isaac. Pasensya ka na ha. Kami busy kahapon, kagabi, kanina lang. Happy birthday. Bigyan mo si Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya Isaac!
Ayan.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Nawa ay lagi tayong malusog, masigla. At higit sa lahat, pasensya na sa lola, namimiss na kita. Ito, matanda na ang lola. Sige, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Isaac. I love you.
Happy 20th birthday to our one and only Boss Isaac. I wish you a wonderful day ahead and to celebrate more birthdays with you. Again, happy 20th birthday and more powers to you.
What's up, broski? Happy birthday. May you have a nice and wonderful day. We miss you dearly. I wish you the best in your endeavors. Yun lang. Have a wonderful year to come.
Kamusta, Isaac? Happy birthday. I'm wishing you the best as always and hopefully more shots and birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Isaac. 20 ka na. 20. Matanda ka na. Nawa sa birthday mong ito, maging masaya ka, mag-enjoy ka. And ang wish ko lang isa na makamtan mo lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay, sana makaumot ng lahat, and yun lang, maging masaya ka lang, malusog, and okay na yan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Isaac. Binata ka na, 20 years old, and ako naman 30 na. Well, I'm happy na dumating ka sa buhay namin ni Mama. Kasi ikaw yung unang-una naming kaligayahan, syempre. At ikaw yung aming shield pag nag-aaway kami ni Mama. But anyway, I'm wishing you all the happiness, success. Sana maging maganda yung pag-aaral mo, maging maganda yung future mo, makahanap ka na ng girlfriend. Bigyan mo na kami ng apo. Pwede na yun, 20 years old ka na eh. And sana magtagumpay ka sa career na tatahakin mo pa. I love you. Momwa, chup chup. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Ice. Anak, I love you. I love you. Alam mo yan. Happy 20th birthday, anak. Mahal na mahal ka ng nanay. Alam mo naman yan. Alam ko na masaya ka na sa birthday mo. Basta tapos ka lang para hindi masayang yung paglayo ng papa, yung sakripisyo niya. Para namang may magandang kahinatnan yung pagtatrabaho ng papa mo sa malayong lugar. Basta lagi mo tatandaan na nandito lang si mama. Si mama, kung ano man yung problema, nandito lang ako. Basta tatandaan mo na mahal na mahal kita. Ikaw yung nag-iisa isang magandang blessing na regalo sa akin ni Papa God. Alam mo naman, anak, na nag-iisa kang anak, kaya dapat magsusumikap ka. Pilitin mo makamit ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At wala hindi na mahabang panang nandito ang nanay at tatay, ha? Basta lagi mo tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita, kung saan ka magiging masaya, kung ano man yung mga plano mo sa buhay. Nandito lang kami ni Papa. I love you, anak. Happy birthday.